Welcome. It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
This old woman gave her children an old shed as an inheritance, and they despised it. You will not believe what happened next. Doña Norma lost her husband just a few months ago, and they suffered from poverty, but they were able to establish a livestock farm with 3,000 hectares and butchery outlets throughout the country. Her husband died, and she became the manager for this business, but they will not last for a long time. She will have to choose the best heir to run the business, farm, and livestock. She was very sad and confused with all responsibilities. She had remembered their good and bad times where she and her husband had to beg in the cold streets of Madrid. 53 years ago, she recalled that moment when Manuel Ortiz touched her sleek face and told her that everything they were living now would turn into just a bad memory, while he gave her a piece of bread, and his words became true. Everything has changed now. Her husband died after he had brain cancer, and she has turned 87, and she must choose an heir to their company can grow to the business. In those critical moments, she must make the right decision to preserve their family's inheritance and not to lose her husband's company with the wrong administration. During this journey, they lived similar experiences, but this time, she will make the last decision alone. The wife found some old notebooks and saw some notes that they made about their charity works when she wanted to give bonus to those who deserved it. She decided to distribute flour bags to the needy employees. Of course, some were angry and asked why they distributed the flour this year. About 250 workers got this flour after this new distribution when they put some milk and rice for more needy employees, whom were more than 150 people. After finishing, she left a note inside the flour bags and left an amount of 600 euros for these people. By this way, she made sure that the money will go to whoever deserves it. Now the story was different. The strategy should be applied with their family. Now it is up to her how to choose her successor using this or a similar method. This afternoon, she had a brilliant idea to show her new successor. Doña Norma will not attempt to show that she is looking for someone to succeed the successful institution now. Her 10 children may be fighting for this position, and the administration may be taken over by the wrong person. Then Doña Norma sent them a message telling them that the company was going to reduce their monthly income, and after the mortgage, they lost everything except the old shed where she and her beloved husband Manuel began their work. The doctor told her that she must take care of herself and sent the message to all of her children and concluded her letter saying that if you are interested to begin the work with the old shed, you should come home within a week. None of the children showed any interest about the old shed. All letters had different excuses. Someone said that he can't administrate this work. Others said that he had her clinic or their own life or family. They were not so interested in taking over that old shed in which there were only old machines to make sausages and pack meat. All refused their mother's offer except the most irresponsible and little son, Manuel Jr. The mother did not imagine that her young son, whom she considered an irresponsible person and spends most of his time traveling around the world, he will be the most worthy person to manage his father's inheritance. He sent her a clear message that he will come home soon from Hawaii, and he will accompany you on all upcoming travel, and he will be able to start again from his father's old shed. The test in which her 10 children succeeded, so she decided to give the administration to her young son, who showed courage and wisdom in managing the situation.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.